Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is the best little thing you never knew you needed.
When I tell you that I have been begging my husband to buy me a back scratcher for years, I'm not even joking. So when I finally got this one, I was so happy. This thing is absolutely amazing. It's a telescoping back scratcher that can extend up to 30 inches. So there is no spot that you cannot reach. Mine came with all of these different heads, and they are each so amazing. I love how all of them feel different when I need to scratch my back. But my favorite thing about this is that I can actually scratch the cat that does not like me without being in the danger zone. So, this is not just for people. You can actually give all of your furry friends a nice little scratch with this as well, and they all actually really love it. It feels so good, and you can walk up to anyone and say, "Can I scratch your back?" And they're going to let you. I think this is one of the greatest little gadgets ever, and everyone should definitely get one.
Never have an unscratchable itch again and get this back scratcher. You are going to be so happy you did, and that's my point of view.